This is Parish Profile. Today we take a look at the parish of Hanover. Hanover rounds off the northwestern tip of the island. It lies to the west of St. James and to the north of Westmoreland. The capital, Lucea, is situated on a beautiful harbour 25 miles west of Montego Bay and midway between Montego Bay and Negril. The highest point is Birch Hill, which is 18,010 feet, or 550.2 meters, followed by Dolphin Head, which is 1,789 feet, or 545.8 meters. Numerous caves, coves, and bays mark the coastline of Hanover. Welcome back to Elite Jamaica, the place you come to learn about Jamaica and Jamaicans. If it's your first time joining me here, consider subscribing to the channel by clicking the red subscribe button, and remember to turn on notifications by clicking that bell icon so you never miss any of my updates. Jamaica's second smallest parish, Hanover, was established in 1725 and was named for the reigning monarch on the British throne, George I, who was from the House of Hanover in Germany. The capital town, Lucea, has been known by many names and stretches along the western side of a horseshoe-shaped bay, which is considered to be one of the island's safest ports. From the hills overlooking Lucea Harbour, one can observe an expansive panorama of the bay. Similarly, the view from the Dolphin Head Mountains provides an extensive vista of the other parishes in the western side of the island. Hanover sometimes does not get credit for its beauty and charm, and is often overshadowed by the nearby tourist destination of Montego Bay. Nevertheless, it shares the Negril Strip with its southern neighbour Westmoreland, and many of the rich and famous tiptoe into the parish at the Round Hill Hotel and the Trial Beach and Country Club, thinking that they are still in Montego Bay. There are three main towns. Number 1, Green Island. Green Island is a small town located on the west coast between Negril and Lucea, close to Orange Bay. It was once a thriving market town in the days when sugar was king. Number 2, Sandy Bay. Sandy Bay is a seaside town found in the northern section of the parish. The famous Trial Estate is situated on the main road between Upwell and Sandy Bay, Hanover. Number 3, Upwell. Upwell is a settlement and fishing village located 15 kilometers west of Montego Bay. Its main tourist attraction is Round Hill, Jamaica, a resort located on the beachfront in the eastern side of the settlement. Thank you for joining me again, guys. Upwell is a very small parish and there was not a lot of information that I could attain. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to Elite Jamaica yet, consider doing so. And remember, to do that, you click the red subscribe button. And also, remember to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon, so you will always know when I upload new videos. Thank you. I am Alexx. Bless.